2, behind, looping for the first of these 3 loops. Wildcat 2 trying to keep as close as he can to Wildcat 1. Remembering every practice session that he did, trying to get as close as possible. Another loop, this time on the A axis. Reaching almost 200 miles an hour on the way down. Down to 200 feet. Heading for the last of their 3 consecutive loops. Topping out at about 1,200 feet. This is one of the tightest loops on the display circuit this year. These pits are powered through the sky by Wyoming IO 540 engines. They produce 260 horsepower and have a maximum of 540 cubic inches, which makes these engines 9 litres, which is twice the size of the Aston Martin. Wildcat 4-year barrel rod, with Wildcat 2 lying astern behind Wildcat 1. With engines this size, it's not that surprising that we're burning over 1 litre of fuel every minute. Inside, we're going to perform one of our most difficult manoeuvres. This is called the twizzle. This is where Wildcat 1 stays straight and level and Wildcat 2 tries to roll as close as he can around it. Wildcat Aerobatics was formed after Willie Cruikshank was the Top Gun instructor in the RAF, where the main call sign was Wildcat. When he left, he didn't want that name. Action's a relatively newcomer to the watch market, but we're sure that in a few years' time this will be a well-known name. Another climbing left-hand turn. Into the quarter clover. As we go up, Wildcat 2 moves into F on right. Quality GoPro cameras. We've got 2 on each aeroplane. Go and check out our videos on our YouTube page, just search for Wildcat Aerobatics. Running in towards crowd centre. At 200 feet, Wildcat perform their brake. Half Cuban. Took part in France in the First World War. Opposition loop takes place. We go for another opposition stall turn. On the level, the planes are doing about 200 miles an hour, and then we go 200 to 0 in about 5 seconds. We go for a minimum second pass. There's only about a wingtip between them. Wildcats head straight together again. All pulling up and forward. Okay, just remember the Wildcats trying to rejoin using a loop. Wildcat 2 on full power now, trying to catch up with Wildcat 1 on the left hand side. Wildcat 1 doesn't really care and is going to come in for one anyway. 10 points to anyone who can guess which iconic flying movie this is from. They go for another right hand turn. They reposition for their next pass. Looks like they're going to continue with the Top Gun theme here. I've been told that they're about to communicate with one another. Wildcat 1 goes inverted. As we go into the mirror pass with Wildcat 2 smoke on. As Wildcat 1 rolls clear. Make sure that after today you're following all the put out a load of competitions all the time. Some of them you can wear t-shirts, and some others you can actually win a flight with the Wildcats. It's being 2 seats. Great passenger flying. As we go into our last section of display. Going to a quarter clover to line up for the iconic heart. Wildcats come past there. Away. And that sums up the finish for the Wildcat 2015 display. Thank you very much for watching.